In this video, we'll learn to calculate the squares of 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. So what are square numbers? Square numbers are the numbers which, when you multiply by themselves, create squares. So if you look at this one here, 2, there are 2 centimeters at the bottom, so 2 centimeters one side and 2 centimeters the other. The area is actually 4 centimeters squared. And here we have 3 centimeters by 3 gives you 9. So 9 is the square of 3. 9 is a square number. So there is 4 times 4 gives me 16. 5 times 5 gives me 25. 1 times 1 gives me 1. So these are the first square numbers: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What could be the next one? 6 times 6 is 36, so 36 is the next square number. 7 times 7 is 49, so the square of 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So how do I write this? 1 times 1 is the same as saying 1 squared. What does that to mean? It's 2 lots of 1 we're multiplying with each other. Then we have 2 times 2 is the same as 2 squared, and that gives me 4. 3 times 3 is equal to 3 squared, or 9. 4 times 4 equals 4 squared, which gives us 16. So I'll write it here. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5 equals 5 squared, or 25. Now these are just the first few. Now I could also work out what is the square of 12, for example. So 12 squared. Now that 2 at the top means we're multiplying 2 lots of 12 with each other. So that is 12 times 12. And that is 144. What about 25 squared? So that means 25 times 25. And we'll need to work that out. And how do we do that? There are different methods you can use. I'm going to use the column method here. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, and the 2 is 12. Now we're moving down, so we need to add a 0. 2 times 5 is 10, and the 1 carried over. 2 times 2 is 4, and the 1 is 5. So that is 625. So the square of 25 is 625.